Excuse me. What's up guys, it's me, obviously. I'm petty, and this light keeps blinking. So I'm petty, so I'm making this video because people just don't shut up. And I'm up to here with it. And you know what? This light is gonna keep blinking, it's gonna stop, it's gonna start. We're not gonna do anything about it. So basically, by the title of this video, you know what I'm doing. I'll be doing my hair and talking about my eyebrows. Now, as you can see, my eyebrows are a little bit thinner, natural looking, which honestly they look a lot better this way. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but I took that from a comment, like this advice from a comment. I'll insert it right here. So thank you very much, like it helped a lot. But here's the thing, I'm just fed up with people talking about my eyebrows, and it's like, if I were gonna wear one eyebrow and I walked around with one, you can't do anything about it because I'm gonna go and do it anyways. So if I want to walk around with thick ass eyebrows, I'm gonna do the same thing. I don't need you to tell me that, and I'm fed up. And so I'm doing my hair for school tomorrow. It's Sunday night, and I'm just gonna literally be talking about my eyebrows for 10 minutes because this video needs to be 10 minutes because if you know, you know. So we're gonna split my hair really quick. Here we are, my eyebrows. Let's address them. I started doing my eyebrows like, I think 2 years ago, right? And there's gonna be a lot of smoke. We're gonna not talk about it. I'm probably not gonna talk about my eyebrows the full 10 minutes, but just to be over dramatic, we're gonna say I'm gonna talk about them for 10 minutes. I'll probably talk about something else, we don't know. So I started doing them like 2 years ago, we'll say, and they were not cute. If you wanna come and bash my eyebrows then, by all means. I bashed my own eyebrows 2 years ago. But now I see them as such an improvement. A lot of people like that used to comment on my old videos have commented now saying like my eyebrows have gotten so much better. So like go back on my old videos and comment on them, and I could care less because it's true, they were really bad. I started off by they were really stupid. They were dark all the way around. If you do them like that, to each their own, but I just didn't like them like that. But that's all I knew how to do. So I just did them like that. It wasn't cute, it wasn't a look for me. So then, I learned that you can fill in the whole eyebrow and make an eyebrow fake. So I started doing that. But boy, were those thick. You think my eyebrows in, like I think 4 videos ago is thick? Hun, they were literally like, I want to say that big. I wish I was lying to you. I'm not lying to you. They were that big. Like, my eyebrows are so much thinner now than they were like a year ago when I started doing them thick. And then I finally started doing them thin because I got my eyebrows done. And then they grew back and I started doing them thick. You know, like everybody just goes through those stages. Everybody just has their moments. And you know what? It's my face. You're not the one walking around with them on, are you? So... Eyebrows are such a touchy subject with me because I just, like, the amount of comments I get a day of people saying, like, your eyebrows bug me, or like, what's the point in telling me that they bug you or that they annoy you or telling me to fix them? Like, clearly I'm doing them that way because that's how I do them. I don't understand. I'm sorry if you're like annoyed by me right now, but I just need to get it out there and I need to talk about it so everybody will just shut up about it. I'm probably pointing it out to a lot more people now that my eyebrows are thick sometimes or uneven, but you know what? It needs to be said for all those people that do notice and comment on it because they feel the need to comment on it. Also, I'm having a really bad breakout. So, yeah, like, I just don't really, I mean, my eyebrow comments are just like anybody else's hate comments. Like, what's the point? Like, what do you, I don't get it. Does this give you satisfaction? You telling me that my eyebrows annoy you? Does that satisfy you? Like, I don't know. Like, and, you know, not all of my comments are about my eyebrows. But lately, ever since I hit 10,000, it's just been the topic of the day, of the month so far. Like, I don't know. I'm annoyed and I'm done reading freaking comments about my eyebrows, and it's just so annoying and irritating. I can't stand it. Like, imagine your insecurity continuously being pointed out. Imagine that for a minute. Right now, I love my eyebrows, but you know what? This is how I like them, and this is how I'm gonna keep them because it's how I like them. If I wanted to wear a fucking trash bag, I would, okay? So I can wear my eyebrows one up here and one down here. I don't care. So I keep saying I don't care, but like it's the fact that I continuously get comments, sometimes from the same people, over and over telling me, fix your eyebrows are so uneven. Is it just me, or is one higher than the other? Because that was necessary to say, you know what I mean? I'm just really, really, really irritated with my eyebrows right now. It's not like it's just been going on for the past 2 weeks. No, this has been for the past 2 years. I've been getting comments on them, and I know about it. Like, I don't need you to tell me, like, because I read all of my comments. I answer all my comments. So it's not like I'm not gonna see your freaking, like, it's like when they say her eyebrows bother me, like, not your, like, you're not talking to me, you're talking to everybody else. Little do you know, I'm gonna see your comment, you know, and I'm gonna respond. And literally every single time I have answered an eyebrow comment, they don't answer back. Sometimes I don't block them because it wasn't that rude, or I want to see if they'll comment back because I'm curious, and they never do. I mean, if that says something they clearly didn't expect me to respond, I'm gonna respond. Half the time I respond to hate comments because it makes them feel stupid, because 90% of the time they never answer. So if that doesn't say something, I don't know what does. Just saying. Just saying. I'm sweating. I have my fan on when I do my hair, but like it's right next to you. Let's stop talking about my eyebrows. Let's cool down. We're not going to talk about them anymore. You want to still comment on them? Go ahead. You're getting blocked. So first we're going to talk about what my hair smells like. I washed my hair 3 times and conditioned it 3 times. Yesterday I went to my aunt's house and they had a fire, like a bonfire in the back. And I started messing with it because that's who I am. I legit like was moving it and I kept messing with it. And so the smoke went into my hair. Now it doesn't smell really bad. I think it's in my head because nobody else in my family, like I legit was like, smell my hair, tell me if it smells. Because I'm one of those people that like, I need to smell good. If I walk by you and you don't smell my perfume, there's a problem. Right now my hair kinda smells like the smoke that I was messing with, like the fire that I was messing with, the smoke that came out of it. So this is like a few hours later and I'm editing this and my hair literally smells fine. It smells really good because I conditioned it so many times. And it smells, wait, yeah, no, it smells really good, so I don't know, I'm over exaggerating. My hair smelled horrendous, and so I washed it twice while I was in the shower, and then I got out and I was like, oh my god, it still smells like that. So then I just took off my shirt and I bent over like that over the bath and washed my hair again. And I let it sit for a very long time. And now it doesn't smell that bad. It like very faint, and I'm straightening my hair, so like obviously it smells a little bit burnt now. Oh, it's my birthday. It's not my birthday today. My birthday's in 2 days. It's Sunday right now. My birthday's on a Tuesday. I'm contemplating going to school. I probably might go to school because, you know, like everything is just starting, like, you know, like it's the very beginning of the year. I'm like gonna miss out on like assignments and stuff, so that's not fun to do. So I might go to school. I don't know. But yeah, I'm turning 16. Yeah, not that big of a deal to me. I'm gonna feel the same the next day, so I ain't even worried about it. Like, I honestly don't get it when people say like, how do you feel now that you're blah blah blah? The same. Oh, my hair, it smells like shampoo. And look how like flowy it is because it's so clean. Wow. If this is the first video watching by me, I'm not this mean ever. Like, I've honestly never made a video addressing something ever. So, yeah. You ever burn your hair? I mean, burn your hand on your hair? Because same. I do it all the time. What is happening? I am very upset about these pimples, but I'm glad it happened after picture day because the picture that's going in the yearbook is already taken. I kind of look like a whole tomato but I didn't have any like major pimples going on. I don't know when I'm gonna put this up. I'll probably put this up on my birthday so I can get hate on my birthday. No, I think I'm gonna put it up on Wednesday so that I don't get hate on my birthday. Look at how shiny my hair is. Wow. So yeah, my hair's growing. I'm letting it grow out because I cut it off. I'm done with my hair. Now I'm gonna go do some dishes. Yeah, soon there will be a night routine and a morning routine. Not gonna do like all those like cute little, like whoever makes cute little morning routines anymore. I'm not doing one of those. I'm doing like vlog style. This is what I do in the morning. No exaggeration, no lying. I get up and this is what I do. You know what I mean? I mean, did I used to do something like that? Sure, but we're not gonna talk about it. This is my second one of the day. I drink so much water. So why is this happening to me? Oh wait, never mind. I'm gonna wear sweats tomorrow. I love going to school comfy. I don't know why I ever tortured myself wearing jeans every day. I'm gonna stop talking before all of you leave, or you already left. If you made it this far, let me know. I'd love to know. I know I'm gonna get a lot of comments like, don't listen to the haters, fuck them, blah blah blah. You're right. I'm not like letting them affect my entire existence. I just wanted to make a video on it so I can stop thinking about it, and it's out there. And if you want to talk about my eyebrows, you know what, come to this video and I'm talking to you. Yeah, sorry if you hated this video, if you did, and yeah, leave a like, comment, subscribe, do you want to do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I need to put spot treatment on this. I need to wash my face. I need to go do laundry. Look at the paper clip, isn't it so cute? It's green. It's
Joined